So today we're going to take a look at this mini ratcheting bit set from Icon. Of course, this is new and I did just pick this up from Harbor Freight. The MSRP on this is $39.99. The item number on this is 58074. And of course, it is made in Taiwan and it is a 35-piece set. Let's go ahead, take a closer look. Let me bring you guys in. So dimensions wise, we're looking at about 5, 1.5, and then about 2 3/4. Now overall weight with the packaging is 13.8 ounces. Go ahead and pull it out here. Now it does come in this nice plastic case. It is kind of rubberized there in the black, and then of course hard plastic in the red there. The latch is plastic, but what you can notice there, it is spring loaded, so you push to unlock and then you can unlock the case. Then when you go to close it back up, just snap shut and it's relocked. So I definitely do like that. So there is 32 bits in the kit. They are S2 bits, and of course we have T6 through T9, and then we have T10 all the way up through T40H for those tamper-proof Torx. Now that is one reason I did buy this kit. I don't have a really small set of tamper-proof Torx, and I'm going to need it for an upcoming video. But nonetheless, we also have SL4 and SL 5.5 along with your regular Phillips over here, 1, 2, and 3, and then your PZ here, 1, 2, and 3. So then we have our hex in SAE 1/8 through 1/4, and then metric here 1.5 all the way up through to 8. Now this whole kit is supposed to be lifetime warranty. I guess time will tell on how that goes. If I break a bit or somebody breaks a bit, we'll see how that goes, but Harbor Freight's pretty good about warranty. The biggest feature is the ratchet itself and the extension. So we'll pull these out here. Slide the case off to the side. Now the overall length of the ratchet is just over 4 1/4, and the extension here is 4 inches. But with this ratchet, it can do some pretty cool things. Of course, on the end, you can put your bit in the end, and then if you need an extension, you can put the extension in, and there you go. Also, it is flex head, so it'll go straight 90, and there are 13 actual locking positions. The head is reversible, what you would think there, and it is 60 tooth, so it's a decent sized tooth. I don't know if I'd want something any finer in this small of application. One thing you will notice is that little white dot. It's on both sides. That corresponds to the indentations here, this marking here, which if you line those up, you can slide the extension through and then use it as a T handle there. If you do not line it up, you cannot on this side put the extension in. You can then only put the extension in on the other side, and then it stops. So then you could use it like a traditional extension, with your bit there. So quite an interesting design. Again, if you want to use it as a pass-through for a T handle, you've got to find that little mark there, line it up with a little mark here, and she'll pass through. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little look at this mini little hex ratchet set here from Icon. I bought it for the tamper proofs, and it being a miniature ratchet, I really don't have a ratchet that small profile in hex drive, so it'll be cool to see how it holds up. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you guys on another one.